They nailed me to a cross. I could have stopped it, but I didn't, because when I saw your face, I saw someone worth dying for. You've made mistakes, you carry shame. You cry alone at night, but I still choose you. I took every lash, every insult, every drop of pain because I couldn't let you go. I don't want your perfection, I want your heart. Come back to me. Not because you're strong, but because you're loved. You were always loved, and to me, you were worth it. Jesus.